What else?
Lemon salt, and if you want chili.
It's not that hot here.
What are you doing?
Okay, wait.
Oh,
This is early, but look at it's so gross too. Look at look at that. Dude, I'm not
Chihuahua
eating
lady or
it.
something.
Okay. Oh no, Cruz, don't eat by myself.
Now what are you gonna do? You're gonna eat it by yourself?
I'm gonna eat by myself. Wait. I guess. Is that good?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yep.
I'm not eating this one either.
Don't be picking at it.
Wait.
Just put it in your mouth. Ah.
Okay, this one. Okay, now I am. Oh, it's good.
Told you. Better than that good.
Not really.
You don't like it now? You feel like it? Look.
It's like too soft.
It's too soft?